Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging events to Twilio notifications, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect EV charging events to Twilio notifications, start by setting up a Twilio account. Visit the Twilio website and sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find your account's ID and auth token. Make note of these credentials as they will be needed later. Next, select a phone number from Twilio that will send notifications. Go to the phone numbers section and click on Buy a number. Choose a number that suits your needs and complete the purchase. After securing a phone number, you will set up your development environment. Choose a programming language that you are comfortable with. For this guide, we will use Python as our example language. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download it from the official Python website if necessary. Once Python is installed, create a new project folder. Open your terminal and navigate to this project folder. Now, install the Twilio Python library by running the command pip install Twilio. After installation, create a new Python script file in your project folder. In your script, import the necessary libraries. You will need to import the Twilio library and any other libraries for handling EV charging events. Next, set up a function that listens for EV charging events. This function will check for the status of the EV charger. Whenever an event occurs, it should trigger the notification function. Create a separate function to handle sending SMS notifications through Twilio. In this function, use your account's ID and auth token to authenticate. Use the Twilio client to send messages from your purchased phone number. Construct the message body, including details about the charging event. Incorporate the recipient's phone number into the message sending function. Make sure to handle any exceptions that might occur during the SMS sending process. Next, you need to connect the EV charging events to your notification system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.